The other big story today, anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare has given an ultimatum to the government: give the country his version of the Lokpal bill, or else he will sit on an indefinite fast from the 27th of December and jails will be filled from the 1st of January. Speaking on our show, Left, Right and Centre, Team Anna member Kiran Bedi said if Anna sees Parliament engaged on the Lokpal bill, he will be willing to wait.
If you look at it practically, there are just a few working days left. The Parliament actually is supposed to, the last working day is the 27th. Now, on Sunday, the Cabinet meets, it looks at this legislation. They can probably introduce the bill before the 22nd. They may not be able to pass it before the 22nd. Now, they have these options. They're looking at extending the session by a day. They might take a break over Christmas because there are MPs for whom this is a religious holiday. They can come back. Or they can look at coming back after the New Year. So, since Anna has announced this agitation on the 1st of January, I'm saying that can't that be put off by a week or so in order to be able to facilitate the proper passage of the bill?
If Anna sees Parliament engaged in drafting the bill, why would Anna go and sit on a fast on 27 December? Why would we do jail burrows from January 1st?
So it's not inflexible.
It absolutely, if Anna sees Parliament engaged, Anna would certainly love to facilitate the engagement, because that's wonderful. That's a tribute and that's a gratitude. Please please stay engaged and give what the people are asking for. We'll wait till that last day. I'm sure Anna would do that.
There are two important things you said. One is that the issue of the CBI is a make or break issue for Team Anna.
It is, absolutely.
And secondly, that you're willing to be flexible even on the Jail Bharo Andolan if you see that even if the bill is tabled and there is a clear intent to discuss it, take it up and vote on it, even if it's in the new year, then that agitation could be put off.
One line I would add here.
If Anna sees them engaged, Anna would love to wait.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.